This is a super fun game. It's kind of hard. So I'm going to take you into my Vercel. I'm assuming you know how to use Vercel. I can show you. It's very quick. I have 3 projects here. This, and this. These 3 projects, and they're all connected to my GitHub. You can see Juliana piece with a link to my GitHub. If you want to deploy your own project, you just click Add New Project and then click on the GitHub that you want to deploy. So the one I'm migrating out is going to be lights out. Let me show you what that app looks like. So let's take a look at it. This is a super fun game. It's kind of hard, but basically your goal is to turn all the lights off, and they turn off like this. So that's the app, and here is the GitHub it's on, and here's the game. Totally open source. You can check it out yourself. Now we're going to migrate that over to CreateOS. So let me take you over to CreateOS. As soon as you sign in and create an account, you automatically are given 400 credits. So this is a brand new account. I deployed one thing. It took 2 credits. And if I wanted to deploy a project, I will come over to deploy over here. So CreateOS is an end-to-end application for any developer. You can vibe code here, you can deploy your app here, you can list your app for sale here and earn revenue. It's pretty much everything. And there's multiple ways to deploy. So very quickly, I'm going to go down here and take you into my account. So under settings. So I've already connected my GitHub. I can also generate API keys. With my API key, I can do a bunch of things. I can set up an MCP, so then I can bring it into Cursor and start deploying from Cursor right away without ever coming to this GUI, which is super cool. And let me take you back out. So yeah, let me just show you GitHub. I go to browse repositories, and remember, I'm deploying super duper garbanzo. So I'm gonna type in super duper garbanzo. I have a lot of repos. You see, click import, and there's 2 different ways to deploy. You can either do it manually or with AI. AI will actually read your code and try and figure out, like, you know, what framework you're using and build it that way. It just takes a little bit more time, but it works. Let's give my project a name. Call it Lights Out. I don't know what framework I built it on, so I'm going to use AI. The branch is master, I think. And you can also select an app folder. It's only if you're doing something like mono repo, or you have multiple repos running for a single project. Let's say like a front end or a back end. And you can also select a root directory. This is a very niche thing. Assuming you are in a mono repo, you want to select the root directory of the project that you're on. You can also enable security scan, optional. And you can also set your environment variables, build or run variables. I don't have any, so I'm just going to go ahead and click deploy. Oh, it's deployed. Yay, cool. All right, we've got some application logs. I put it under production environment. By the way, you can have multiple environments here if you wanted to. From my repository, auto promote. Oh yeah, every time you make a push to your GitHub repo, it will redeploy. Okay, let's take a look at it. Cool. So the same game we were playing in Vercel, now we are in CreateOS.